Ultra pure water as a foundation. Optimized H2O is optimized to nourish, detoxify, and protect hair, scalp, face and skin. Clean skin helps prevent blemishes, clean scalp promotes hair growth. The professional stylist's first tool for cleaning and prepping hair/skin is available as a nutrient-rich daily super youth mist. Hair protection, hair hydration, skin hydration, anti-aging, wrinkle remover, water for hair, pure water for skin, dark spot remover, puffy eye remover, dry skin, dry hair, protect skin, best hair and scalp protection, restore hair, itchy scalp, high heat thermal protector, hydrating facial mist, truly the best, US made, by a Stanford University Ph.D. Dr. Hair Multi-Bond Plus Face Health Recovery Water Mist. Fights dry, limp, thinning, frizzed out hair, prevent discoloration from hard water, sun exposure and heat from blow dryer and irons. Strengthens hair and promotes a clean environment for hair growth. Also developed for skin, reduces pore size, diminishes dark spots and signs of aging caused by UV exposure, revealing a brighter, vibrant, more radiant look. Restore and replenish moisture, guaranteed to give your skin that silky tightening feel, moisture boost needed to achieve that youthful glow, and is proven to repair collagen to reduce skin's fine lines and wrinkles. Increase collagen synthesis and reverse skin damage and skin's overall elasticity. Powerful for hair and skin, anti-aging youth formula. UV protectant, Nourish Detoxify, Infuse moisture, fills in crevices, improves the look, fine lines, wrinkles while firming and giving you a timeless complexion. Professional medical grade moisturizing serum plumps and tightens your skin. Balance your hair and skin, balanced at 50 pH. Your hair and skin will love you again. Absolutely no build-up, ultra pure. Pharmaceutical grade nutrients your hair and skin crave with B12, B6, B5, B3, vitamin C, E, biotin, UV protectant for color-treated hair. Great for all skin types. Increases skin hydration, reduces effects of sun damage, neutralizes free radicals. No alcohol, paraben, preservatives, sulfates, or fragrance. Our non-greasy solution is preferred by our customers over creams, lotions, dry powders, capsules, conditioner or peels. Estheticians recommend to keep skin clean, fresh, and toned. For hair, maintain the health after OLAPLEX and after Brazilian blowout. Keep hair healthy. Keep color-treated hair hydrated, minimize fading and discoloration. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.